All right, today make some cheese dip. Got our cheese right here. It's about 4 cups. We got jalapenos, finely chopped, onions, finely chopped, garlic, finely chopped. We got salt, pepper to taste. We add a little bit of lime juice to your discretion. We also got 1 cup of milk already measured out. We come over here, open this bad boy up. We got a skillet preheated to 500 degrees. We're gonna pull that out real quick. Keep this on heat low. Now we're gonna take all of our ingredients over here and combine them. First, the onions, jalapenos, and garlic go in. Put those to the side. Gonna get out the spatula, move it around a little bit. Let it cook. Now we take our whole milk and our cheese. Gotta do this real quick. Stir that around. Let it get all melty. Come back at you a little bit, that's fine. Man up. It won't hurt. We'll let that melt for a little bit. Alright, next, we go back, get our salt, pepper, lime juice. Do this to your taste. Put a little bit of salt in there. Then we take pepper, add a little bit in there. Go about with a teaspoon of lime juice. Then we start mixing again. Stir it around, make sure it doesn't burn. If you leave it like setting for a little bit too long, it'll burn. We don't want that. So this skillet was at 500 degrees, and just gotta keep it moving. Don't burn. Now we can kind of turn this off. Let it cool down a little bit. Right there. Grab myself. Depends on what you want. Grab a tortilla. Show you real quick. Whip this up. Would you look at that? Melty goodness. Woo! Alright. Give it a taste test. It's good. Thanks for watching. Stay hydrated.